This is a tutorial for logging into MTA Algo and getting the automated trading bot. From the home page on the upper right-hand side, you're going to go to Automated Trading and click on Beta Login. When you click on Beta Login, on the left-hand side under Coming Soon, you'll see Click here for Beta Tester Login. Click this area here, and that's going to bring you to this page. There is information here that there is a bug with the form, so you're going to want to hover on the right-hand side on this gray box and click on that. That's going to open up a new page, and you're going to fill in this information here. You're going to fill in your email, name, Discord username, and the password that was given to you by MTA Algo. Capitalization is important in this area as well, so if there is anything that needs to be capitalized, be sure to check that and hit submit. Click on this link here, and this is going to bring you to your trading plan. Select your risk tolerance, whether it's conservative, moderate, or aggressive. I'm going to click moderate, and then here you're going to click what your Apex account size is. 50K, 75K, 150K, etc. I'm going to click on 50K, and this is going to be where you select your goal. Are you completing an evaluation, or have you already completed an evaluation and you now have a funded account? I'm going to click on evaluation, and this is going to be some important information that you do need to make sure that you read as you are going through this site. It's going to give you information about the bot, goals, etc. Continue to scroll down, make sure that you're reading all the relevant information here. Go through the checklist, make sure everything's correct, and then click on the image below to begin your always on experience right there. This is going to be where you locate your machine ID. There are instructions here that you can follow for whether it's reading it and following along there, or there is a video here as well. I'm going to go through and do this also. So log into NinjaTrader, bring up your control panel, go to Help, Third-Party Licensing, type in the vendor name. This is going to be MTA Trading, LLC. Make sure that the capitalization is correct, or else it will not work. And under user-defined ID, this is just going to be something that you're going to name your computer that you decide. I'm just going to put my name and PC. Hit submit, and you are going to get your machine ID. Copy that, because we will need to put this into the MTA site as we continue. Scroll on down, and then you're going to click on this image here. And that's going to bring you to this page where you enter your email again. Your beta tester password. First name, last name. And this is going to be where you enter your machine ID. Continue along, clicking the required boxes. And at the bottom, you're going to hit submit. It's going to seem like a blank screen, but scroll all the way up to the top. And you're going to click on the link below to continue. And this is going to bring you to a page where you will complete your payment information. You'll have your order details, complete your contact information, so your full name, your email, and then here is where you're going to complete your payment information, your credit card number, etc. Once that's entered, you would click pay, and then at that point in time, you are going to get an email with your user agreement. In here, you're going to have access to the download for the bot. You would click on this link. It's going to bring you to a page where you can click here to download. You're going to download this information to your computer, and from there, you're going to upload it into Ninja.